It's Tre Boston here, and we're at the Carolina BBQ Festival. We have some of the best pitmasters from around the nation, 17 to be exact, over 20 sponsors for this event. It's about to go down. We're about to get some love and get some grub. Let's go. All right, we're here with Master Blends Family Farms with my guy Ron. Hey Ron, talk to him. What we got here?
Hey baby, so we're at the 2025 Carolina BBQ Festival. Today we got these loaded barbecue nachos.
Yeah.
Hey, it's busting at the seams. It's got that little drizzle on it. Got a little bit of that heat to make it pop. Hey baby, you know how we do.
Let's go. Hey, come on. Hey, pop it over. Pop the trunk.
Grab you one, baby. Grab you one.
It's this one right here. This one right here.
Yeah.
Nah.
Do it, baby.
I want that piece right there.
You tweak it.
Oh.
Tweak it.
Next to it's backtrack. You're like the orange juice sign. That's what Katie said.
These nachos?
Yeah.
If me and you was both in the restaurant and you wouldn't reach for these, I tell you, it's nacho cheese. What we got out here today?
Oh man, a little certified Angus beef, short rib, contrary to what they look like.
Okay.
So, on a Martin slider, got some John G's barbecue sauce, pickled onion, and pickles.
How long were those on the grill for?
12-ish hours.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Just
that.
go straight for the meat, man.
Yeah, bro, pause, but we got to get after that.
Hit it.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Happy cow. Happy cow. You know when a cow is happy because when you bite it, it goes moo. 9.3. It's up there. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna recommend. Well, you know what? There's a reason why I just rated 9.3. Man, go check out the line. Let's go.
What's up,
My boy, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Look at the line. How y'all doing, man? Y'all doing well? Good, man. The line go all the way to the back. So my 9.3, they gonna be able to taste it. Let's go. So listen, I don't play about my ribs. I'm letting y'all know I travel the world looking for ribs. So I see which one I want. It's this one.
I knew that was one you want.
Look, but it's this side that you want. It's this side that you want. I'm gonna dip it a little bit into that.
That's the face we like to see right there.
See, what I like about that with the one bite is it gave me a flavor that I quite haven't had before. Man, I love a wet rib. See, what they did, it was dry. But then they put the on it. I don't know what the he just did with it. But like this. Look at that swag. Look at that swag. Yeah. Oh Lord. Oh, that look delicioso. Oh, you ain't gonna poke that thing like that, is you? Oh, that thing make you want to say, oh. Oh, this warmed my heart. I'm talking about, you don't understand what ribs do to my heart. Ribs, hey, the world knows. Hey, rate those ribs. Hey, oh Lord, my heart is, you see me sweating beats because my heart is pumping so fast with joy. Talk to him, what we did right here. What?
I got a Tre Boston, a seasoning salt. Season my rib rub, pork rub, chicken rub, the basic season salt.
Yeah.
And so I do like a reverse flow cooker, but I'm from South Carolina, but I love like direct cooking ribs. So I would burn my wood down like the guys that's doing the pig.
Yeah.
Put my season on it, lay them out, and then have a fatty side, which is this side on. That's why I put this side on last. And with the direct, I can get that crunch. So when it cool down a little bit, you're gonna have a little crust on it. And then I got a peach mustard barbecue sauce up there. They go with it. You ain't had them yet?
No.
Oh man.
What you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna put that peach.
Oh Lord, not the peach.
I'll tell you what. You try it without it.
That one talking about. Because a lot of people like to hide. A lot of people like to hide behind their sauce. Sauce do be good.
Let me say something though. If I was hiding, I wouldn't have that smoker back there.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Facts. That thing look, Woo, right off the pit now. That thing hot now. That thing hot.
When you're done, just show them right here and I'll grab them all, okay?
I got you.
Yeah, he ain't hiding nothing. He ain't hiding nothing. Yeah, throw some of that on now. Yeah, oh no, he ain't hiding nothing.
Cool it down for him.
That's really what I want. I need to cool it down for you, boy.
Oh, you want them all over here? There you go.
That's exotic. Hey, that peach. That peach something tropical. Oh Lord. Yeah, I approve. Stamp it. Stamp. When you like something, you gotta make sure you support, man. So we do support local businesses, man. The 704 Juice Boys, man. Let's get it.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
We appreciate that.
Hey, we like it. We gonna pay for it. I like.
We've had everything.
Yeah?
We've had everything. Like
Everything.
to tap out.
Don't tap out, bro. Don't do it, bro. Just walk a little bit. Just 2 more laps. 2 more laps. Catch a couple breaths.
Man.
Catch a couple, bro. Get a lemonade.
I think we need a lemonade.
Get a lemonade, bro, because the sodas are carbonating you. And bro, get a lemonade.
Less bubble.
And get back in it, bro. Get back in it, bro. One thing about it, I tell y'all, when I come to these festivals, I love to see something that's different.
Yes, sir.
It's not every day you see some peanuts on your chicken.
We got a Korean style chicken wing smoked different times.
What the?
Just a little peanut.
Yeah?
And then there's some slaw underneath there. With
Okay.
Chili crunch on top, dude.
That's all it right there.
Yeah. Let's go. Thank you, buddy. Woo.
That wide stance.
Yeah. You know it's good when you hit the stance.
Good chicken. There's some good chicken right here. Hey, listen, this Korean peanut with a little slaw, it's different. And I like different. Excuse me. Took a big bite. They did the thing over there. Hey, talk to me. What we got right here?
There's some sausage. This right here is some chicken bacon ranch sauce.
Okay.
And then right here you see the side, that's cornbread salad.
Okay.
And I've been telling people we call cornbread salad only because it makes me feel healthy whenever I eat it.
Ah, I see what you did there.
No, I'll be honest though, it's a little bit different, a little more refreshing.
Okay.
It tastes good though.
I'm so good.
Yeah, they do that. I was just over there. Y'all see my sample platter.
Gotta take some of that right there. Make you feel healthy while eating carbs, I tell you. First thing they ever done. A little bit different, but it's good, you know?
It's good though. Make you feel good.
Hey, I wouldn't give you nothing that I wouldn't eat myself, you know?
Sweet Lou's. Come on now. We're here with Eric and Smoked Pickle. Right now you got some ribs. Hey, talk to us. What you got on them, E?
So we've got smoked baby backs, otherwise known as loin ribs. And we've got a Nashville hot and jerk sauce hybrid. So we mix the two together. And we're garnishing it with a garlic dill pickle.
Okay.
So
you got, that's the signature. You know, I'm pretty sure a pickle got to be somewhere near there.
We do pickles with everything.
Hey.
And then we've got, basically it's like a Nashville hot chicken sandwich turned into a rib. So a little bit different flavor profile.
All right. Another rib that is not your ordinary.
Not your ordinary rib?
Man. Oh, it looks good too. Look at that. Oh, yes. How long you had that in there?
Those probably been in there about 3 hours. So we cook them a little hotter on the baby backs so they can get a little more heat on that top side. So we cook them where they're not falling off, where you got to bite through them.
I love a bite through rib, bro.
Yeah.
I don't want that falling off the rib, bro.
That's right.
Too tender.
Too tender.
Let me work for it a little bit.
Yeah.
Let me see if that meat worked out a little bit.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Was he in the gym?
Yep. We want to know. Yep.
I want to know, bro.
We're trying to get that fat out of them. That's the only thing we're trying to do. Just cook them that way.
Smoked pickle, I recommend. Let's go. Come on. Easy walk-in session. Fort Grove in the building with some brisket. It ain't hard to explain, but talk to the people. What you got here?
This is just our standard smoked brisket we do every day.
Yeah.
Be Texas inspired. We've got it wrapped in a super fresh, sticky piece of Martin's potato bread.
Yeah.
Topped with, this is some of my grandma's chow.
Oh, not Granny's.
Oh man, it's
yeah.
That little bit of acidity cuts that richness.
Oh. It might be standard to some. But boy, this busting all. Hey.
I'm glad you enjoyed that, man.
My guy.
Appreciate you, brother. Thank y'all.
Come on. Y'all know what time it is. Let's keep going. Here with TMG Pits. Hey, talk to us. What we got here?
We got some lamb chops and duck sausage. We're actually just showing off our pits.
Oh.
Gator.
Oh.
Tomahawks on it.
Explore. Explore here.
So just all kinds of crazy stuff that you usually don't see at barbecues. I mean, some of you do, obviously, but not always.
Okay.
So, you want some lamb?
Absolutely. I thought you never asked.
Lamb?
We out here. You see us. We eating good. Hey, this is good food right here, man. I'm giving it by 8.4. Smacking. I want to taste that gator. Gator bacon. I need some of that. Woo! All right there, it's in the books. Carolina BBQ Festival is done. Man, we had so many great pitmasters. Y'all seen the food. We got the dub. They showed some love. Wonderful community. Man, it's a wrap. 2025, we got live. 2026, we'll see y'all next year. Let's go!